It's now 3 weeks since schools in Uganda reopened after COVID-19 induced lockdown of close to 2 years. Research conducted by the Ministry of Health surveillance teams indicates that 5,566 learners in primary and secondary schools have developed COVID-19 symptoms. The Health Ministry's Permanent Secretary, Dr. Atwine, says they were prepared.
We knew that once we opened the school, infection will spread. So the most important thing here we are talking about is vaccination. To make sure that all the people that are vulnerable are protected. Whether the child takes infection at home to the grandmother, grandmother once they are vaccinated, that's it. The teachers, once they are vaccinated, that's it.
Of the 5,566 learners with symptoms, 917 were referred for testing, 943 were isolated and monitored at school. The teams also found only 2 new positive cases in schools, and since schools reopened, the cumulative number of positive cases are 3.
But what we see is that we don't anticipate to get severe disease among children. Right. But a few who will have to go through that, the parents must ensure that if they have children who have some condition, they should ensure that those children are vaccinated.
She says it is now more of a personal responsibility for people to protect themselves against COVID-19 as the government has played its role.
We are not going to be running after people. No. If you choose to go to the bar and you remove your mask and you don't observe and you get COVID and it gets you down, that is their personal responsibility. Because we have really talked, we have educated people what needs to be done.
To the organizers of entertainment concerts, the Ministry of Health asks them to respect the SOPs as no new guidelines will be issued.
Because once we agreed that we open up, we open up. But what is the most important thing is that people need to learn to put in place mechanisms that safeguard their lives. Much as they are going to enjoy, much as they're excited, they must know that the danger is still with us.
The latest results from COVID-19 tests done on 25th January 2022 confirmed 285 new cases, with the cumulative cases standing at 161,192, a positivity rate of 4.9%, and cumulative recoveries of 99,179 people. John Cliff Wamala, NTV News.